Ever needed to stamp a PDF with a dynamic date, time, or custom text without writing a single line of code? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create professional, automatically updating stamps in Nitro PDF Pro in under 2 minutes. Let's dive in. First, open Nitro PDF Pro, head to the Review tab in the top toolbar. Here you'll find the stamp icon. Click it. A menu pops up with default stamps, but we want something custom. Scroll down and hit Create New Stamp. This is where the magic happens. Once you click on it, a window will pop up, and here we can design our stamp. So in first field, we assign title of the stamp example, approved or confidential. I'm adding random name here. Then in content section, you can add an image, for example, logo or any image, perfect for branding, or we can use pre-built text from the drop-down list. Here's the fun part. If you want to add custom text on your stamp, then you can also simply type your custom text in this field like this. All right, a pro tip: if you want to show current date and time at the time of stamping, then you check this box as well. Next, in appearance section, let's make it visually perfect. We can change the color of our stamp, and we can also change the opacity, because sometimes we don't want to hiding text underneath stamp, so you can adjust the transparency of stamp. And last, in size section, of course, you can adjust the width and height of the stamp according to your need. I'm making mine larger for visibility, but you can keep it subtle. And on the right-hand side, we have a live preview section where we can see how our stamp will look like on different size and orientation of papers. So when you're done, just simply hit OK, and boom, and there you have it. Your newly dynamic stamp is now ready to use. Your dynamic stamp now lives in the stamp palette. Test it out. The date time updates instantly, and your custom text stays crisp. Looks great. Current use name and date and time also showing correctly like we want it. So if you found this video, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I read everyone, and I will see you in the next video.